I wanted to give you a quick update on my Tesla and what's going on. I cracked the subframe, which is where the electric motor mounts in the back. This is a rear P85 from 2013 with 180,000 miles. You can see where the subframe is cracked here, and that's where the motor connects to it. I heard a loud clunking noise. So I'm driving my wife's minivan, which is making me feel pretty poor driving this thing to work.
May we get a word?
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.
When you drive 104 miles a day and you only get 20 mpg in your minivan, it's pretty rough, period. It really makes me miss my Tesla. Now I had to borrow my mother-in-law's Prius for a while just to save some gas, having to push the power button to start it up. You know, whereas a Tesla, you just sit in the car and the car goes. Then you gotta, do the climate control and all that good stuff. I love the Tesla because you get in it and the climate control automatically works. Also, the minivan is making us poor because we keep having to do maintenance on it. Timing belts, serpentine belts, power steering pump, head gaskets, brakes. My Tesla's on the original brakes. So the minivan is also costing us a lot of money. So it's been a pretty rough couple of months. The subframe on my car is going to be $800 for the part and $1,500 in labor. Now, we did all this work on the Toyota minivan ourselves, which saves a ton of money. But, gas cars are no picnic for maintenance either. I'm forever grateful to my neighbors who helped me getting our gas car fixed up, which is really great. I can't really do that with the Tesla because it's so complicated. I take it to Electrified Garage. It had me out looking at other cars thinking I could replace my 2013, like this Model Y here. Just thinking that, my old car is needing to be replaced. I'm gonna keep it going. I'm not ready to switch yet, but I'm always out there looking for a good deal. That even had me thinking about other cars and other brands getting away from Tesla, but the software is so smooth, the supercharging is so smooth, but there's some incredible deals out there on these Chevy Bolts. I had a lot of people asking me about these cars. I've test driven them. They're really tinny feeling inside. They have a lot of road noise, but for bang for the buck, you can get these cars with the EV tax credit, probably around $11,000, which is incredible for a car that's a couple of years old with really low miles. Here's a 2023 Chevy Bolt for $15,000 before the EV tax credit, which is amazing. Bad news is you probably have to charge at these other chargers until you can get over there to the Tesla charger, which should open up in late 2024 to all the other brands. So for now, I'm gonna keep driving the old 2013, and I'll let you guys know how she's running. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.